In this class, we discuss how to solve a homogeneous equation. First of all, we discuss what is meant by homogeneous equation. If the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx is equal to a function in terms of x and y, where f is a homogeneous function of degree 0, then we solve this equation by using the substitution y is equal to v into x. It is first type. Next, if the given equation is in the form of dx by dy is equal to some function in terms of x and y, then this is also a homogeneous equation. Here we use the substitution x is equal to v into y. Just interchange x and y. By using these substitutions, the homogeneous equation is converted into a variable separable method. Once the variables are separated, on integrating we get the solution. See, dy by dx is a function in x and y, or dx by dy is a function in x and y. If it is if the RHS is homogeneous function, here this is written as a function in terms of y by x. This is taken as a function in terms of x by y. If dy by dx is a function in terms of y by x, then we put y is equal to vx. If dx by dy is a function in terms of x by y, we put x is equal to v into y. Write one problem on this method. By substituting x is equal to v into y, the transformed equation of one plus e power x by y into dx plus 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. By using the substitution x is equal to v into y, find the transformed equation of this. Okay, when this substitution is applied, if the given equation is in the form of dx by dy is equal to some function in terms of x by y, okay, we convert this equation into this form. Write the given equation as minus of into dy, or write it as dx by dy is equal to minus of we use the substitution x is equal to v into y. Put x is equal to v into y, differentiating both sides with respect to y, d by dy of x is equal to d by dy of v into y. LHS dx by dy is equal to, apply u into v formula, v into derivative of y with respect to y 1 plus y into dv by dy. Dx by dy is v plus y into dv by dy. Let it be equation 1. You substitute dx by dy value here. From equation 1, dx by dy v plus y into dv by dy is equal to minus of 1 minus x is equal to vy, x by y is equal to v, 1 minus v by 1 plus e power v. Okay, take this minus into bracket. Y into dv by dy is equal to, take this minus into bracket, it becomes v minus 1 by 1 plus e power v. Take this v to right hand side, minus v. Now take the LCM here. What is the LCM here? E power v, 1 plus e power v. In numerator, v minus 1 minus v into 1 plus e power v, v into 1 v minus v into e power v, v cancel. Okay, we have minus 1 minus v into e power v, take minus common, 1 plus v into e power v by 1 plus e power v. Now y into dv by dy, okay, y into dv by dy is equal to minus of 1 plus v into e power v by 1 plus e power v. Take this term to left hand side, we get y into dv by dy plus 1 plus v into e power v is equal to 0. Next, the solution of dy by dx plus is equal to square root of x square minus y square plus y by x. Okay, it is in the form of dy by dx is equal to some function in terms of x and y. If it can be expressed as a function in terms of y by x, then it is a homogeneous equation. Here, see what is the given equation. Divide separately. Take this x into square root. It becomes x square minus y square by x square plus y by x. Divide separately. We get 1 minus y square by x square or y by x whole square plus y by x. Clearly it is a function in terms of y by x. Let it be equation 1. See here, first of all, it is an important note, when the differential equation is given, first we check whether the variables are separated. If the variables are separated, then on integrating we get the solution directly. Here the variables x and y cannot be separated. In this function there is root of x square minus y square. It cannot be separated. Now what is our next step? If the variables are not separated, then we examine whether it is homogeneous or not. When it is homogeneous, if the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx is equal to some function in terms of y by x or x by y, then it is said to be homogeneous equation. If it is homogeneous equation, then by using the substitution, put y is equal to v into x, then this homogeneous equation is converted into variables separable method. Okay, put y is equal to vx, taking derivative on both sides, dy by dx is equal to derivative of u into v plus v into derivative of x1 plus x into dv by dx, taking d by dx on both sides. Now from equation 1, what is dy by dx? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to square root of 1 minus y is equal to vx, y by x is equal to v, 1 minus v square plus v. This v and v cancel. Separate the variables, write it as dx by x. Once the variables are separated, integrate. See here, even if the equation is homogeneous, but by using some substitution, we reduce this homogeneous equation into variables separable method. Now, what is integral of 1 by root of 1 minus v square sine inverse v is equal to log x plus c. That is the solution. But what is v value? V is y by x. Y by x is equal to log x plus c. In this way, if the differential equation is homogeneous, by using this substitution, that homogeneous equation becomes variables separable. Once the variables are separated, on integrating we find the solution. Now there is another model in differential equation, that is linear equation. Next model is linear equation. Okay, an equation in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q is said to be linear equation in terms of y. If the given equation is in this form, dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p and q are any constants or functions of x also. P and q are any constants or functions of x also, is said to be linear in y. Now we discuss how to solve this equation. By using some integrating factor, call it as IF, integrating factor. Is equal to e power integral p into dx. Multiply both sides the given equation with this integrating factor, then this differential equation is integrable. Once if the differential equation is integrable, we can find the solution. By using this factor, we have to integrate this equation. That's why this is called integrating factor. Now there is a formula to find the solution of this. The solution is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. This is the solution of general equation. See here, in differential equation, when the first order and first degree differential equation is given, first we check whether the variables are separated or not. If the variables are separated, on integrating, find the solution directly. Next, if the variables are not separated, then we check whether it is homogeneous or not. When it is homogeneous, if it is in the form of dy by dx is equal to some function in terms of y by x or x by y. If it is homogeneous, by using some substitution, convert that differential equation into variables separable. If it is not homogeneous, then we go to the third method, linear equation. When the equation is said to be linear in y, if the equation is in this form, dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. How can we solve this linear equation? By using this integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integral p into dx. Then what is the solution of this equation? This is the formula to find solution. Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Okay, now we do some problems on this linear equation. Write the problem here. Integrating factor of IF of 1 plus x cube into dy by dx plus 3x square y is equal to sine square x. See here, it is not a homogeneous equation and the variables are not separated. Now we check whether it is linear equation or not. Okay, divide both sides with 1 plus x cube. Then the equation becomes dy by dx plus 3x square by 1 plus x cube into y is equal to sine square x by 1 plus x cube. It is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, where p is equal to, what is p? Coefficient of y. What is coefficient of y? 3x square by 1 plus x cube. What is q? Sine square x by 1 plus x cube. Okay, if the given equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, then this equation is said to be linear equation in y. To this equation, what is integrating factor? E to the power of integral p into dx. E power integral p. What is p value? 3x square by 1 plus x cube into dx. Always p and q are either constants or functions in x only. E to the power of, see here, 3x square is the derivative of 1 plus x cube. If numerator is derivative of denominator, its integration is log mod denominator 1 plus x cube. E power log x, that is x, so it is 1 plus x cube. So integrating factor is 1 plus x cube. Next, find the integrating factor of, next problem, integrating factor of cos square x into dy by dx plus y is equal to tan x. Here divide both sides with cos square x, then we get dy by dx plus y by cos square x is equal to tan x by cos square x. See, this equation is in the form of, dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. What is p value? 1 by cos square x. What is q value? Tan x by cos square x. P is 1 by cos square x. Q is tan x by cos square x. Now find integrating factor. What is the formula to find integrating factor? E power integral p into dx. What is p? 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square is taken as secant square x dx. integral secant square x, that is tan x. So integrating factor is e power tan x. It is simple to find the integrating factor. You reduce the given equation into this form, dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Take p value, then integrating factor is e power integral p into dx. Next problem, integrating factor of dy by dx plus y into secant x is equal to tan x. Clearly the given equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. Then what is p value? P is secant x. P is secant x. Q is tan x. Always p is the coefficient of y. Q is RHS. Okay, if the given equation is in this form, then that equation is said to be linear equation. Then what is integrating factor? E to the power of integral p into dx. P is secant x into dx. Okay, integrate this. Integral secant x log mod secant x plus tan x. E power log x is x, so it is secant x plus tan x. In this way, we find integrating factor to the linear differential equation. We may solve the linear differential equation also. Let us do one more problem, how to solve the linear differential equation. Next problem, solve dy by dx plus 2 into y by x is equal to 5 into x square. Solve that linear differential equation. This linear equation is one of the important model in differential equations, but in board examinations this topic is deleted. Okay, clearly this equation is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. What is p value? 2 by x. What is q value? 5x square. P is 2 by x, q is 5x square. Now first we find integrating factor. E to the power of integral p into dx. What is p? 2 by x into dx. E power 2 into integral 1 by x dx, that is log x. Write it as e to the power of log of 2 log x is taken as log of x square. M into log n power m. For any value of x, e power log x is x. So e power log x square is x square. So integrating factor is x square. Then the solution there is a formula to find the solution of linear equation. What is that formula? Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx. Y into, what is integrating factor? X square is equal to integral q. What is q value? 5x square into integrating factor x square into dx. 5 is constant. Integral x square into x square, x power 4 into dx. This is 5 into integral x power 4, x power 5 by 5. 5 cancel. This is x power 5 plus c. So the solution is y into x square is equal to x power 5 plus c. In this way, we can solve the linear differential equation. Here we discuss three methods to solve the differential equations. First one is variables separable method. If possible, separate the variables x and y, and on integrating we get the solution. That is first method. Next, homogeneous equation. If the differential equation is in the form of dy by dx is equal to a function in y by x or function in x by y, by using the substitution y is equal to v into x, reduce this equation into variables separable method, first method, and on integrating we get the solution. This is third method, linear equation. If variables cannot be separated and it is not homogeneous equation, then we verify whether it is linear equation or not. When it is said to be linear equation, if it is in the form of dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. How can we solve this equation? First we find integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power integral p into dx. Next, what is the solution of this linear equation? Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor dx. Okay.